loved me alright. Guy is right. This was all about creating a better world. Ideals unfold. That was our hope, our dream. I introduced Kim to the KGB. We hated fascism, as you see. So a woman was involved here. That's me. As you men prance on with peacock feathers of treason, but the real reason for Kim's passion was his passion for me. So he secretly joined the Communist Party. I resisted his advances and insisted he joined. Before I undressed, if you know what I mean. Before I undressed, if you know what I mean. Our sex changed history. It's now a mystery. Marxism was an aphrodisiac in our time. This sounds crude, I know. But facts are facts, and love is always key. And my tits changed history. 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 And that